Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete chat in Deepseek. It is super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open up your Deepseek app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page, click onto the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will pop up. Here you'll see the past conversation that you have done with the Deepseek. There you'll see the history of the chat. Then long press the chat that you want to delete. Then click on the delete button. Again, a confirmation message will pop up asking you to delete. Click on delete again. And that's it. You have successfully deleted the chat in Deepseek. Isn't it super easy? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit on that like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.